You know this?
Woman is have some of them. Because they buy the because they buy the store. Yeah. Woman have some. Right in that store. No,
You want to climb it, Shelly?
no.
Oh,
I'm not that adventurous at all.
you don't think of somewhere we couldn't climb?
Yes, I could. If I have the right shoes.
Right shoes. Yeah, that may I think. So we still have water, guys. We still have water. We're outside. We still have water, man. But, you know, we have to pray for rain soon because this time of year it will go down. At some point you won't see the water, you know, Shelly, coming down from here, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. You're ready, man. So we have to take it as we get it. As we go along. Thank you, man. You say you feel like a tourist. That is it. Thank you, man. You feel like tourists?
Yes.
Talk up to the group. Talk up to the group. Tell them what they miss. Tell them what they miss.
Don't miss it out.
This is it. We keep going, man.
Yeah, but you love to go to work.
We're amazing. Shout out the names of the people in the group.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Come, Outer Road, Sheldon. Amazing. This could have been us, but you love work too much.
When you say amazing, work hard for the money.
Amazing. I said this could have been us, but you're boring. It's all boring though. I work.
You sure you shout out everybody in our group?
Yeah, what I do in it.
Call the name them, man. You must can remember some.
Who else? We have Misachi, Nandi,
David.
K. Yeah. And you have one of the K, Basquiat.
Now Monique.
Monique.
You have Beverly.
Beverly.
Yeah, Beverly.
Who else?
We outside Beverly.
You have Jermaine. You have Vinny. You have Shells. You have Sexy Carrie.
Sexy Carrie.
You have
Rebel vibes, you know. This is for Rebel vibes.
Who else? We don't know Kempo, but we have Kempo. Somebody else so quiet. Who else?
I'll tell a natural life in our group, you know. Oh, we're outside, man. We're heading to the Blue Mountain side. This is it. That is it. That's what up.